for locomotive, chugging along, puffing its steam, singing a song. Through tunnels and hills it rolls so wide. All aboard for the locomotive ride. Choo-choo train, hear the sound, rolling wheels go round and round. L is for locomotive, full of pride. Come with us on this fun-filled ride. Through the green fields, past rivers so deep, the train whistles loud, no time to sleep. Carrying people and treasures so fine, the locomotive's journey is simply divine. At every stop, there's laughter and cheer, passengers waving as the train draws near. Colors of the wagons, red, blue, and gold, stories to tell, adventures to unfold. Over the bridges and under the sun, the locomotive's journey is so much fun. With every chug and every puff, traveling the tracks, it can't get enough. Choo-choo train, hear the sound, rolling wheels go round and round. L is for locomotive, full of pride. Come with us on this fun-filled ride. Thanks for the journey, it's been such a treat. With the locomotive, the adventure's complete. Don't forget to like, share, and